Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're grabbing a roadmap and uncovering the surprisingly diverse, dynamic, and honestly, deeply impactful world of pharmacy. So if you're curious about the intricate web of professionals who literally keep our medical systems running, well, you are absolutely in the right place. Imagine stepping onto this path. It's kind of like your own personal hero's journey. We're going to traverse this entire map today, starting right at the foundational education required and going all the way to unlocking those ultimate career rewards. This single journey captures a lifetime of potential, and we're going to decode the whole shebang step by step. Here is what's on the agenda today. First, the modern pharmacy landscape. Second, essential education and licensure. Third, core skills and treats. Fourth, diverse career sectors. And finally, the rewards and impact. Section 1. The modern pharmacy landscape. Okay, before we even look at the academic requirements, we really need to challenge a common preconceived notion. Is a career in pharmacy just about counting pills? For a lot of folks, their only interaction is, picking up a prescription at the corner store. But the modern landscape is actually this highly complex, somewhat hidden ecosystem of cutting-edge science and vital patient care. There is way more to it than meets the eye. Moving right along to Section 2, Essential Education and Licensure. Getting into this ecosystem requires a really clear chronological progression. It all kicks off with building a rock-solid foundation in high school, heavily focused on science and math. That sets the stage for those rigorous university degrees. You're looking at either a Bachelor of Pharmacy or a Doctor of Pharmacy. But the ultimate gateway? That would be passing your licensure exam to prove your absolute mastery of that knowledge. Section 3. Core skills and traits. We absolutely have to pause here and just acknowledge the sheer weight of responsibility in healthcare. We're talking about incredibly high stakes. In pharmacy, a tiny miscalculation, a lack of meticulous precision, or a lapse in unyielding ethics can literally mean the difference between life and death for a patient. This isn't a desk job where a typo just goes unnoticed. Every single decision truly matters. To handle that immense responsibility, you need this perfectly balanced hybrid toolkit. On one side, you've got the hard sciences, deep medication knowledge, and laser-focused attention to detail. But that has to be balanced out with critical soft skills. I mean, think about it. You have to explain incredibly complex biochemical reactions in a way that a stressed-out patient can actually understand. And holding that entire toolkit together, unyielding ethical conduct. Section 4. Diverse career sectors. Now, all that foundational education, it branches out into some wildly different daily realities. In community pharmacy, you are the front line of public health, working in a fast-paced, highly accessible retail environment. But contrast that with hospital and clinical pharmacy. Over there, you shift into intensive patient care. You've got highly trained specialists working right alongside doctors in high-stakes fields, like oncology or pediatrics, working directly to save lives. Then, you have the totally behind-the-scenes world of industrial pharmacy. Instead of interacting with patients, you might be an R&D scientist formulating entirely new, life-saving drugs, or ensuring global safety standards in quality control. Beyond that, the pathways get incredibly specialized. You could navigate complex legal frameworks in regulatory affairs, teach the next generation in academia, drive the business side in sales, or, hey, even specialize in animal care through veterinary pharmacy. It really is a tale of two entirely different worlds, both unlocked by the exact same foundational degree. You could be the neighborhood health hub with constant frontline patient interaction, or you could be deep behind the scenes in large-scale manufacturing and R&D. It's really all about choosing the daily lifestyle and the type of pressure that suits you best. Section 5. The rewards and impact. After all that rigorous science and high-stakes responsibility, we get to the ultimate payoff, making a profound difference in patient care while remaining at the very forefront of innovation and discovery. It's this incredibly rare combination of deep emotional fulfillment from directly saving lives, paired with the intellectual thrill of engaging with world-changing science every single day. And beyond the emotional rewards, the practical, long-term lifestyle benefits are definitely substantial. This path offers incredible peace of mind through global job stability because, let's face it, wherever you go, people are going to need medicine. You'll find a competitive salary with really clear avenues for growth, an environment that practically demands lifelong learning, and a secure connection to continuous, cutting-edge innovation. We've walked the entire roadmap today, from high school science classes all the way to global impact. Now, the journey is up to you. With so many wildly distinct pathways available, from the retail frontline to the R&D lab to veterinary care, which sector of pharmacy are you most drawn to explore next? Take some time to dive a little deeper and see where this incredibly rewarding roadmap might lead you. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep learning.